Hello guys, welcome back to Pianowithnick. I'm here with another video. Okay, so I did a song breakdown. Okay, Nia wo ye mami de ninenti. Okay, so I did a particular movement in the key of C. I got a request that I should break it down in the key of F. Okay. So it goes like. That was what I did in the key of C. Okay, so let's check it out in the key of F. Okay, so this was what I was doing. I was doing this. Okay, so this is basically the first chord I did. So I have the C, F, and A on the left. Right hand is doing the C, F, G, and C. Then I did this. The second chord I did was this. The left hand I have the C and the G. Right hand I have the C. I have the E flat. I have the G and the B flat. Okay. Then I have the F and A. Right hand I have the C, E flat, and A. Then I did this. Okay. So I did the B flat, F, B flat. Right hand is doing the D, F, G sharp, and D. Then I have the A, E, A. Right hand is doing the C, E flat, F sharp, and C. Okay, then I have basically the two chords. Then I'll move because this one is on the 4 chord, okay, but I'll change it to the 2, okay, whereby maintaining the G. Okay, you already know this chord. Okay, this chord should not be new to you. Okay, that's basically what I did. Then the second sequence I did it. Then I did this. Okay. So basically I was doing this. So here I have the E, I have the B, I have the E. Right hand is doing the A, D, E, and A. Okay. Left hand I have the A, C sharp, E. Right hand I have the A, C sharp, E, and J. Okay, you already know this chord. Then okay, then I think there's another part that I did. I think I did this in the key of C. I did this. Okay, so that's basically, if you are playing it in the key of F, it will be like this. A very odd but nice feeling. Okay, I could have easily played like anything at all, but I decided to use this particular one. Okay, sometimes you need to change certain things. Okay, in a song like Aye Aye Aye. Okay, I can basically change the chords in this particular one to make it advanced. Okay, but that will be another video. Okay, So I'll see you when I see you. Okay, subscribe if you have, and more videos like this is coming your way. Bye.